I'm truly amazed how perfect nature is. Life flows beautifully through the seasons, and nature provides all we need. God designed us to flourish and embrace vibrant health from the variety of foods offered within each season. Several years ago, we began to implement seasonal eating into our lifestyle, and the rewards are abundant. Eating seasonally simplifies our life and lessens our workload while being very cost effective. Eating fresh, nutrient-dense food grown locally or by you is definitely the standard we strive to achieve. We believe there is a powerful connection between our health and the foods we consume. Today I am sharing with you how to make Master Tonic. I value ancient wisdom and strongly believe this knowledge will help us in the future. To me, growing the herbs and plants for this tonic is very important to ensure the best results. Once a year, right before the first frost, I gather the ingredients and make this tonic before winter. The ingredients I use to make this tonic are plants that I am able to grow in my geographic location. Several years ago, I started growing ginger, which was the first for me. So use what you have available if possible. Once again, God promises to give us everything we need, and the fact that peppers, garlic, and onion are available this time of year before the season of winter is proof of this. am Caren, creator of the YouTube channel and blog Texas Farmstead Living, where we inspire, educate, and guide you into living your healthiest, best life. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thank you.